We're now at the end of the year. 2020 has presented a lot of challenges for all of us.
The presence of COVID-19 has meant we've had to adjust to new ways of doing things, to remain vigilant and to support one another.
Despite challenges, we have had some great successes.
E te iwi, we've seen a huge increase in whānau wanting to connect with each other and participate in Taranaki iwi kaupapa.
We've shared pepe packs and we're soon to launch more packs for other members of our whānau.
And while the year has had unprecedented hard times, we are here for you.
And ensuring positive outcomes for our people.
As we move into Raumati and embrace the warm weather.
Don't forget to not only relax,
but also take it easy and play safe.
Kia tūpato e te iwi.
COVID-19, the usual dangers of too much sun
and complacency in the water
are still risks we need to be aware of.
Remember to be mindful of water and sun safety.
And to make sure we check in with our loved ones, especially our pāhaki.
So e te iwi, have fun, relax and take care over the summer break.
From us here at home, to you our whānau, near and far.